Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channels. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to convert this amazing Figma design into GoHighLevel. I will guide you step by step how you can convert this Figma design into GoHighLevel. And first of all, I can show you this Figma design. I have a design in Figma. That's my client requirement. And by the way, I'm not going to use this home section, hero section exact same as it, because my client gave me some different designs, and he told me you need to convert. Once you convert in a GoHighLevel, then you can do all the changes there. So if we are going to convert this whole Figma design into GoHighLevel, just we are going to change this hero section, because my client told me we don't need this section, you need to do some changes. You need to do change this image. I will show you in 2 seconds and how I am going to convert this design into GoHighLevel. So simply I just go to back in our GoHighLevel sections, and that's a leads flex GoHighLevel. By the way, if you want any GoHighLevel websites, landing page, and any GoHighLevel services, just simply go to leadsflex.com and book your free consultation here, and I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step how you can implement GoHighLevel. So let me go back here, and I just take some make this Figma design, and I will show you how I can do this. And I just change the hero sections, and other all things are similar like a Figma design. Yeah, here you can see that's the same as our Figma design, but I have changed little bit changes in a hero section as I have discussed with our client, and he told me you need to change some design here. So I just did this design into Figma, and here you can see what I'm going to do. I just take a hero section, one section where I can put these elements, that's an text elements, or we can say that it's a button element, and here we just add some social media icons, but it's a basically button, but I put icon on the social media there. And here what we are going to do, I just add the logo here, and just two section, one is a two column, one is a image and other one is a book appointment. And here I just design this amazing text and these colors and these stuff, and here is an image that I have designed in a Figma. I just copy and paste from Figma and just put here. And in this section, same things, I just designed this image in a Figma and I just put here. And same here in with these sections, and it's a just basic step. I just add this image and just give the paddings -40, and I can adjust here. Now you can, if you want to do these things, you can simply just change your paddings. And in the next section, what I am going to do here, yeah, here I just change these thing here. There's font text, and I just make this one section and copy paste all these. That's a client requirement, but client change accordingly. And here also have some changes, and that's a form here we will link later, because client don't told me to add any form here. But for example, I just add this form, and that's how a form looks like, because the form is already designed, but we cannot add here because client don't allow us to add here. And once the client allow us, and then we will add here. And here we have some FAQ section, and in FAQ section I just do some changes and do these things as well. And here we have some custom design for, I will show you for this section. For this section, I have just did some custom code, and I will also copy and paste this code in description box as well. If you want, just copy and paste there. And also you can here is another section I just made with the code. And yeah, that's it. These all things are a Figma drag and drop design. If you need any GoHighLevel services or Figma design services, simply go to leadsflex.com, book free consultation, and I will jump with your call and I will guide you step by step how we can do this. Either you can go with my affiliate link, you can buy GoHighLevel with my affiliate link. I will design these Figma and funnels design your funnel in a Figma, then convert in GoHighLevel free of cost, and also I will configure all your GoHighLevel configurations free of cost. Thank you so much for watching this video.